DJ, what do you think about these? What you like about these?
Fly.
They fly?
Yeah.
What color are these?
Black.
No, not black. Close.
Close.
Blue.
Yeah, blue.
What color is this?
White.
Yay!
Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks.
You know the vibes.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. And it took me a while to do this review because I had so many other exclusive reviews. But today, we're going to review the Jordan 1 Japan? Tokyo? I don't really remember. I'll fact check that later. But I'm from Brooklyn. I'm from New York. I like to call them the Yankee Blue Jordan 1s, man. And I couldn't help but thought when I first took these out the box last week, what if, well, these look like if these two had a baby. Yes, sir. So on my right hand here is your Jordan 11 Jetas, the lows, of course, because the high tops wasn't released to the public, and they cost about $35,000. Still DS. I don't plan on wearing them. I'm just mad I couldn't get the high top Jetas, so I had to make sure I secured the low ones. And here, unless you've been under a rock, you know what these are, the Jordan 13 Flints, one of the iconic Jordan sneakers ever. Maybe top 5 in some people's case. Me, maybe top 10. So I was thinking, if these two came together and had a baby, color-wise, scheme-wise, material-wise, you would get the Jordan 1 High OG Japans. Y'all know I was joking. I know they wasn't the Tokyo. We gonna get into this review, man. I mean, you seen one Jordan 1, you seen them all, but I'm such a huge fan of Jordan 1s. Yeah, I own a couple. That I just love doing the Jordan 1 reviews, man. So, enough of the long talk. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Jordan's 2 for 2 with me, man. My 2 videos in a row. We got a nice presentation of the box. If you missed my review on these Jordan 11 Jubilees, go back into the archives, click. I might put it up there. Check it out. Early review. Yeah, man. So, loving the box, man. Like I told y'all before, with all the Jordan 1s that come out, the collabs, the colorways, there's no reason that Mike Jordan brand can't change the color scheme every box. Every box does not have to be red and black. The royal blues. Make the box blue and white. You know what I mean? But enough of that. Right here you got your nice silver platinum box. The Nike words look like it's liquid. Very dope box, man. Flip open the lid. Let me show you everything. Swoosh. Timestamp. Everything's there, man. And a lot of people do a lot of crazy stuff on YouTube. You got your nice wrapping paper. This one says 2001 to 2020. The 25th anniversary joints that I just that I just reviewed in my last video had a similar thing. It just wasn't 2001. Of course, it was a 25-year anniversary. And let's start with the left shoe. It's a 360 view, man. I mean, in hand, even on video, the sneaker's gonna look basic, but the softness of this nubuck suede gives this sneaker everything. Listen, shh. Soft, man. Very, very soft. And then you hit it with this nice platinum silver swoosh. It makes this sneaker a must, in my opinion. Y'all know I'm a Jordan 1 fan. I mean, the white shoestrings is not going to help it pop. I would stick with the blue ones. And speaking of shoestrings, your blue shoestrings that come attached to the sneaker is not your regular Jordan 1 shoestring. It's more of a Jordan 13 shoestring, Jordan 12. This is why I said if the Flints and the Jeeters had a baby, it would be this sneaker. The material here is soft nubuck suede, just like the Jeeters. Almost exact. And as you come to your tongue, it also lets you know this is not a regular Jordan 1. You have a thin, skinny tongue. A lot of people, this is the deal breaker for them, but I like it. And this is where we get the Jordan 13 Flint vibes. Oh, y'all get my drift now, right? I know in the beginning of the video, y'all was like I was bugging. But now y'all kind of see where I'm going. So as I said, this tongue right here threw a lot of people off. It's a very, very skinny tongue, man. Very skinny. The back reads 2001 to 2020. Very flimsy tongue, man, but I like it. I like the leather of it. And Jordan 1s already protect you high. Thick hair, you know, ankle support. The tongue doesn't have to be that much of a support system, in my opinion, guys. In that comment section below, let me know what y'all feel about the tongue. Me, I really have no issues with it. Regular Jordan shoe tree. Seen them one, you seen them all. The inside of your Jordan reads co.jp, Japan. Told y'all they wasn't the Tokyos. The bottom, you know, regular Jordan 1 bottom, same as the Uptown and most of the Dunks. That's also in your midnight navy blue also. And right here, I kind of like the pearl clear glass situation for the Air Jordan 1 logo. I kind of like it. Don't love it, but I like it. Back, more of that midnight navy suede. Very soft, man, I'm telling you. Now, we already know earlier this year, the silver ones dropped, and I didn't get the windows on sneakers. And I kept saying, I get them for retail, I get them for resale, I get them for resale. And resale never went past 218 in my size, but somehow I didn't jump the gun. These right now, resale is sitting at maybe 240, 235. Will it go up? Yes, but I think they're going to go up very slowly. I also think the silver ones are going to go up too. So y'all already know my motto. If you want it, cop fast, cop low. Because I think next year this time, this is going to be a pricey sneaker. You know, Japan and Tokyo Jordan 1s are not just dropping out the blue. As you see here, it says 2001, 2020. So I would say act fast, man. But if I had to pick from the silver or the blue, I'm definitely going with the blue. The Yankees, New York, suede nubuck. I always choose suede nubuck over leather, but it also depends on the colorway. So, like, I'd rather do a blue suede nubuck than do a silver, grayish leather. I don't know, that's just me. In my opinion, let me know which one you think is better. I don't want to hold y'all too long. This is the review on the Jordan 1 Midnights. I appreciate y'all for checking in. Y'all could check in on any shoe tube on YouTube. So every time you click on these videos, it's hella appreciated. Please hit subscribe. Please hit the like button. It helps the channel. It takes 2 seconds. Just hit that like button for your boy. I'm your boy C Notes. Everybody, get rich. All right, let Daddy do a video, okay?
But now I do my signal.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Know the vibes. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks. Know the vibes.